Good morning, student. In the last video, we discussed about the nature of the root. The nature of the root is depend upon the value of b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. The value of k is depend upon b square minus 4ac. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, it means positive, then the roots are real and unequal. This is of your first condition. Second condition is what? Second condition is what? B square minus 4ac is equals to 0. It means that the roots are real and equal. Got it? And the third condition is if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then the roots are not real. So all these three conditions and question on that concept we already discussed in the last period. Now we see some question which is related to the nature of the root. Got it? The question is, find the value of k. Find the value of k if the equation, this is of your equation, have two equal root. अब equal root कब है? When b square minus 4ac is equals to 0 है. Got it? Now we have the solution. क्या solution लिखेंगे हम लोग? See here. What is the solution? First we consider the equation, that is kx. Here x minus 2 plus 6 is equals to 0. Now this is not a quadratic equation because the highest power of variable is not a 2. मीन्स पहले यहाँ पे देखेंगे हम लोग कि हाईएस्ट पावर ऑफ वेरिएबल 2 है या नहीं, मगर यहाँ पे हाईएस्ट पावर ऑफ वेरिएबल 2 नहीं दिख रहा. तो नहीं दिख रहा तो क्या करेंगे? फर्स्ट यू मल्टीप्लाई दिस ब्रैकेट बाय द kx. सो kx into x, that is of equals to kx square. Got it? After that minus into plus minus, here 2 into k into x, ये मिला, plus of 6 is equals to 0. Now this is of your general form of the quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Therefore a is equals to k, here b is equals to minus 2k and c is equals to 6. Got it? So all the three value we know that. Now the condition is that the equation has two equal root. The equation have two equal root. अब इक्वेशन को कितने रूट्स है? टू इक्वल रूट्स है. टू इक्वल रूट्स है इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac is equals to 0. Equal means b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. 0. Why we write here? Because equation have two equal roots. Got it? Now we put the value of b, a and c. All the values we put here. So b is nothing but the what? Minus 2k and its square. Got it? After that minus 4 into a means what? K into c means what? 6 is equals to 0. Understood? Now minus 2k, minus 2 का square कितना हो गया? 4. So we write as a 4. K का square means k square. Here we write k square. Here minus 4k into 6. 6 4s are 24. So here we write 24k is equals to 0. Got it? Minus 2 का square 4, k का square k square, minus 4 6 are 24 and 24 into k. Now we will take common 4k. So what we will get here? See, here only k is left. Minus 6 is equals to 0. Understood? And when the product of two factor is 0, it means that either 4k is equals to 0 or k minus 6 is equals to 0. Therefore k is equals to 0 upon 4, that is k is equals to 0. This is the first value of k, and the second value of k we can find as k is equals to plus 6. So these are the two values of k. Either k is equals to 0 or k is equals to 6. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter? Means the perimeter is given 80 meter and the area is 400 meter square. And a perimeter is given, that is perimeter is equals to 80 meter and area is given 400 meter square. Got it? हमको ये पता करना है कि क्या ये पॉसिबल है कि किसी रेक्टेंगल का पेरीमीटर 80 है तो एरिया कितना है 400 एंड इफ इट इज पॉसिबल देन फाइंड इट्स लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ. यदि ये पॉसिबल है तो उसके लेंथ और ब्रेथ फाइंड आउट करना है आपको. ओके, नाउ वी हैव द टू कंडीशंस. द फर्स्ट इज अ पेरीमीटर एंड द सेकंड इज द एरिया. So here we consider the length of a rectangle, or we can say that perimeter is given, therefore perimeter means what? Perimeter of a rectangle is equals to 2 into length plus breadth. This is the formula to find the perimeter of a rectangle. Got it? Now we put here perimeter, that is 2l plus b is equals to 80. ओके, सो 2 को ट्रांसफर करेंगे तो डिवाइड हो गया यहां पर. मींस क्या मिला? l plus b is equals to 40, that is 80 upon 2, that is of equals to 40. Correct? Now we find the length of l, means l find out करेंगे, that is 40 minus b. So this is of your equation number 1. Got it? So in this way we find the length. इतना समझ में आ गया? अब हम क्या करेंगे? एरिया का कंसेप्ट यूज करेंगे. ओके, नाउ एरिया ऑफ अ रेक्टेंगल इज इक्वल्स टू लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ. गॉट इट? लेंथ वी हैव द इक्वेशन, यू नो द वैल्यू फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1, 40 minus b, and breadth is nothing but the breadth. We consider as a breadth. Now here length means what? 40 minus b. Okay, into breadth is equals to b is equals to what? Area, and area is given 400 meters square. So 400, this is by using the second condition. Got it? Now we solve this. b से multiply करेंगे. 40b minus b square is equals to 400. Got it? So minus b square plus 40b is minus 400 is equals to 0. हमने क्या किया? ट्रांसफर किया 400 को और b स्क्वायर को पहले लिखा. अब मुझे चाहिए प्लस b चाहिए b स्क्वायर, तो मैं क्या करूंगा? मल्टीप्लाई बोथ साइड बाय माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो दिस बिकम प्लस b स्क्वायर माइनस 40b and here plus 400 is equals to 0. Now this is of your quadratic equation. We solve this equation by splitting middle term. So by splitting middle term में 400 के factors. So what is the factors of 400? 20 into 20. Because minus 20 into minus 20 करेंगे तो minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4 and 400. Got it? So we get two factors. अभी मैं यहाँ पे डायरेक्टली लिखता हूँ factor. That is x minus 20 into x minus x की जगह क्या है अपने पास? b minus 20 into b minus 20 is equals to 0. Therefore b is equals to 20 or b is equals to 20. So only one value we consider, that is b is equals to 20. Is that clear? Now here if I consider b is equals to 20, we can find the length also. So from equation 1, what we write? Length is equals to 40 minus 20, that is equals to what we will get? 20 meter. So length is equals to 20 meter and the breadth is also equals to 20 meter. तो ये rectangle ना होते हुए ये क्या बन गया आपका? Square. क्या बन गया? Square. And you know that square is one of the rectangle. Square है तो rectangle है, but rectangle है इसका मतलब square है, ऐसा नहीं होगा. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? तो यहां पे पॉसिबल है कि जिसका लेंथ भी 20 और जिसका ब्रेथ भी 20, ऐसा एक रेक्टेंगल पॉसिबल है. जिसका पेरीमीटर 80 एंड एरिया 400. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज द फॉलोइंग सिचुएशन पॉसिबल? क्या फॉलोइंग सिचुएशन पॉसिबल है या नहीं है, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड. इफ सो, यदि पॉसिबल है तो डिटरमाइन देयर प्रेजेंट एजेस. मींस यदि ये सिचुएशन पॉसिबल है तो आपको उनके प्रेजेंट मींस आज के एज फाइंड आउट करना है. गॉट इट? नाउ सम ऑफ द एज ऑफ टू फ्रेंड्स है, उनके दोनों का एज का सम दिया है. सम कितना दिया है? 20 इयर्स. दोनों के एज का सम कितना है? 20 इयर्स. 4 years ago the product of their ages in years was 48 years. मींस पहला कंडीशन दिया है कि sum is 20 years. Their sum is 20 years and after 4 year, sorry, before 4 year, the sum of product of their ages, product कितना दिया है? 48 years. तो ये पॉसिबल है या नहीं वो देखना है. जब तक हम उसका इक्वेशन बनाएंगे नहीं क्वाड्रेटिक, तब तक हम लोग पता नहीं कर सकते कि क्या ये सिचुएशन पॉसिबल है या नहीं. अंडरस्टूड? सो फर्स्ट वी कंसीडर द टू फ्रेंड्स. ओके, टू फ्रेंड्स आर देयर. मींस इफ वी कंसीडर फ्रेंड A and the second friend B, the sum of the age of the present age of A and B is equals to 20 years. The sum of the age of A and B is 20 years. So if we consider, let the present age of A का present age यदि मैं कंसीडर करता हूं is x years. क्या कंसीडर किया मैंने? x years. And the present age of B is equals to 20 minus x years. ओके, अब दोनों का एज देखेंगे हम लोग. A का हमने कंसीडर किया x, दोनों का एडिशन कितना है? 20. तो A का यदि x है तो B का कैसे आएगा? पूरे सम में से A का माइनस करेंगे. So 20 minus x years. Okay, now we find the age before 4 years. Because the condition is that 4 years ago, okay, so 4 years ago, 4 years ago, age of A is equals to, आज का कितना है उसका? x years. तो 4 years ago कितना था? x minus 4 years. Okay, and age of B is equals to, आज का कितना है? 20 minus x. This is the present age. और उस present age में से कितना माइनस करेंगे? -4. That is of equals to 16 minus x years. Understood? Now we have both the ages A and B. Now by the given condition, what is the condition? The product of their ages. The product of their ages means x minus 4. This is the age before 4 years of A, and the second is 16 minus x, and that is of equals to what is given there? 48. The product of A and B, the product of age of A and B is 48 years. Therefore, x minus 4 into 16 minus x is equals to 48. Now we multiply this by x first. So 16x minus x square minus 16 into 4 कितना? 64 and minus 4 into minus x, that is minus minus plus 4x is equals to 48. अब इसको सबको ट्रांसफर करेंगे. minus x square as it is. Okay, now 16 plus 4, that is of equals to 20x. So we get here plus 20x. Okay, so minus 64 and it become minus 48 is equals to 0. Got it? Now this become minus x square plus 20x. Got it? Minus, क्योंकि दोनों माइनस है तो एडिशन करेंगे. 8 plus 4 12 to carry 1. 6 plus 4 10. 10 plus 1 11. So 112 is equals to 0. Understood? Now we multiply both sides by x square minus. So we get here x square plus minus 20x plus of 112 is equals to 0. कितना समझ गए आप? Now we find the factors of 112. So factors find out करने के पहले first हम consider करेंगे b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. Now b is nothing but the 20. So minus 20 and its square minus 4 into a into c. Okay? Then what we will get? Minus 20 का square कितना हो गया? 400. So here 400 we write. Minus 400 in 4 into 1 4 and 4 into 1 1 2. So 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4. So 4 4 8. Therefore we get here minus 48. Therefore b square minus 4ac is equals to minus 48. It means that b square minus 4ac is less than 0. And as this is less than 0 means its roots are not real. And the roots are not real, it means that this situation is not possible. Understood? Means we are not finding the roots of this equation, quadratic equation. Why? Because the value of b square minus 4ac is less than 0, that is negative. And because of negative, the roots are not real. And if the roots are not real, we are not solving this equation. And as we are not solving this equation, because of that, this condition or this situation is not possible.